Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to recover your deleted Google account on your phone. So now I would like to show you the tutorial how to delete the account. Here I already prepared the Google account that I would like to delete. And here, after you are accessing into the Google account, you just need to go into the data and privacy, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found a delete your Google account. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to read all of the information, and after you agree, just click this and just need to click delete account. And here the account is already deleted. And now how do we recover those account? You just need to go into the Google Chrome, tab to add account. You need to sign in into the Gmail account that you deleted before. Okay, let me type for you. And after you're done, you just need to go click next, and there will be information pop up here that account is already deleted. And the way how to recover, you just need to click next to restore the account. And after that, there will be the next step to recover this account by adding the password. You just need to add the password here. And after that, you just need to go click next. Okay, when this information is pop up on your screen, you don't need to be worried. You just need to go click back, and after that you just need to go click add account. Now you just need to add the email account of your deleted Google account here. Okay, let me have it first. And after you're done, you just need to go click next, and here you just need to enter the password of the Google account again. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. Okay, and after we finish, you just need to click next. Hold on, and now we already have this account back into our phone and we're ready to use it. So that's the tutorial how to recover Google account on your phone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.